गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मु शिवप्रसाद कर आप मो चैनल वेलकम करुच्ची एमएसके सिविल इंजीनियर ट्यूटोरियल को। तो आज आम ये असिस्टेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर सिविल प्रिलिमिनरी क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा तार आंसर की चेक करवा फॉर सेट ए। समस्त जेहतु आज एग्जाम देते तो जो मैंने पढ़ी थे से जानी थे आर अगर एंड गुप्तारू मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आसला। तो यही हिसाब से गले आम कहीपर सेट इजी टू मॉडरेट जाइला। ठीक अच्छे, तो से हिसाब से कट ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन मैक्सिमम आम करें 65 रु 75 जीव बोली। तो कट ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन करवा तो केमती करवा तो आम आंसर की दरकार। तो मुझे आंसर की प्रोवाइड करुच्ची। तो देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the maximum frictional force which comes into play when a body is just beginning to slide over surface of another body known as a limiting friction. Next, two ball of equal mass and perfectly elastic material are laying on the floor. One of the ball with velocity v made to strike on second ball, both ball will move. ये जो क्वेश्चन अच्छी ये इलास्टिक मटेरियल मीन्स ये कोफिशिएंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लगुच। तो यार आंसर ऑप्शन 2 ठीक अच्छे। नेक्स्ट, द एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए बॉडी इन आरपीएम रोटेटिंग एट n in rpm, ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर। Then velocity ratio Vr of a diameter pulley block with capital D and small d as diameter of larger and smaller pulley, then velocity ratio जो फॉर्मूलाटा अच्छी से एटा होता फॉर्मूला 2d by d minus d. Next, a rubber ball is dropped from a height if no loss of stress or no loss of velocity after rebounding, the ball will rise to a height. तो यार फॉर्मूला होची h is equal to h1 is equal to h into e square, where e is the coefficient of restitution. तो 2 into for elastic body e is equal to 1. 2 into 1 square is equal to 2 meter. Your correct answer is 2 meter. Then law of motion involved in recoil of a gun. Which law is involved in recoil of a gun? Newton's third law, which states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. Next question, the moment of inertia of a circular section about its diameter d. तो आप कन्फ्यूज हे दुटी ऑप्शन कन्फ्यूज हे पाई d4 by 32 और पाई d4 by 64. पाई d4 by 32 हूँ कौन ना जब मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया परपेंडिकुलर टू द डायमीटर, जेहेतु हमको एबाउट डायमीटर पचार देन एटा पाई d4 by 64 हो करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टू फोर्सेस acting at 120 degree, bigger force is 40 Newton, resultant is perpendicular to smaller force are perpendicular to q. If p and q are two force, p is 40 Newton, what is the value of q? ये डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला पड़े यार p is equal to p is equal to 2q से आसो q is equal to p by 2. तो यार आंसर होची 20 Newton. Then the acceleration of a particle moving with simple harmonic motion at any instant is given by omega square y. Next question, the moment of inertia of a rectangular section of 3 cm into 4 cm about x axis is bdq by 12, which is coming 16 cm 4. Next question, the water content जो हूँ तार रेशियो कहार रेशियो ना वेट ऑफ वाटर टू वेट ऑफ सॉलिड. तो ऑप्शन डी हूँ करेक्ट आंसर. मिनिमम ग्रेन साइज फॉर सिल्ट एज पर आईएस क्लासिफिकेशन मिनिमम साइज फॉर सिल्ट इज 0.002, which is maximum size of clay. Gravel and sand are non-cohesive coarse grained soil. This is the classification based on Indian Standard Classification System ISCS, which define less than 75 micron, sorry, we define less than 75 micron as fine grain and greater than 75 micron as coarse grain. Then the settlement at any time t to the final settlement u by uf, this is the ratio of degree of consolidation. Next, according to Tarjaki, the net ultimate bearing capacity of clay is given by CNC. Next, the relation between gamma, gamma d and W. Gamma d is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Your correct answer is option C. The relation between E and N. E is equal to N by 1 minus N, or N is equal to E by 1 plus C. Your correct answer is N is equal to E by 1 plus C. Next, soil has a ball density of 2.30 and water content of 15%. What is the gamma d? Gamma d is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. From that we will get that gamma d is equal to 2 gram per cc. Your correct answer is option C. The plasticity index is the numerical difference between WL minus WP. IP is equal to WL minus WP. Your correct answer is option A. Then mechanical stabilization of soil done with mechanical stabilization proper grading के द्वारा होता है. ठीक अच्छी. Next, a load W moving from left to right supported on a simple supported beam of span length L, the maximum bending moment 0.4 L from the left support. तो maximum bending moment हम केंद्र बाहर करती जदि गोटे बीम रहा ये गोटे पॉइंट लोड मूव करुच्ची 0.4 L तो यपटा केते हम 0.6 L तो maximum bending moment केते हुए W AB by L आम जो कैलकुलेशन करवा यार आंसर 0.24 L आसो 24 W L आसो. Next, the moment distribution, the sum of distribution factor of all the member meeting at a joint is 1. When uniformly distributed load longer than the span of the girder moves from the left to right, then maximum bending moment at the mid span will occur when the load is on the whole span. Next question, the degree of static indeterminacy for a rigid jointed plane frame rigid jointed plane frame ପାଇଁ formula होची कोन 3m plus r minus 3j, where m is your member, r is your reaction component and j is your joint. तो कैलकुलेशन कले ऑप्शन सी होची आपन करेक्ट आंसर आसीबो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, two bar of different material of same size subjected to same tensile force, if the bar have unit elongation of 2:5, then ratio of modulus of elasticity केते होबो. तो modulus of elasticity and stress are inversely proportional, therefore the option B is your correct answer. Then the shear force diagram, SFD हमर varying load ପାଇଁ को भले रहइबो, parabolic curve रहइबो. Simple supported beam varying load, simple supported beam अछि एई भले load varying load अछि तो ता ପାଇଁ हमको maximum bending moment केते, maximum bending moment W alpha square by 9 root 3. Next question, equivalent length of column, one end fixed other end free, 2L. Single rolling load of 8 kN along the girder of 15 meter, the absolute maximum formula कौन WL by 4. तो correct answer 30 kN होगा. For a single leg point load W moving on a symmetrical 3-inch parabolic arch, maximum sagging moment occur at distance of x from the end, the value is 0.211 L. Next question number 31. If the length of the wall on the either side of the lintel is least half of its effective span length L, if W is carried by lintel is equivalent to the weight of brickwork contained in an equilateral triangle, then producing a maximum bending moment of WL by 8. The length of the compression member is kept greater than bar diameter by 24 bar diameter. ଆଉ 30 bar diameter କହୁଥିଲେ ଆମର ଟେନସନ୍ରେ. Then if h is the vertical overall height of the retaining wall, then width of base slab usually କେତେ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ଼ କରାଯାଏ ନା 0.7h. ଏରା ଜେନେରାଲି ଭାରି করে 0.5 to 0.7h. ତ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ଼ କରନ୍ତି 0.7h. The workability of concrete is inversely proportional to the time of transit. बाकी जहाँ ଅଛି ତା ପାଇଁ directly proportional. If the diameter of reinforcement bar is d, then anchorage value of the hook is 16d. According to Indian standard, the pozzolana content in Portland pozzolana cement PPC रे केते रहउची pozzolana ना 10 to 25%. For a longitudinal reinforcing bar in a column, cover should not less than 40 mm. For a design of retaining wall, the minimum factor of safety for overturning ପାଇଁ କେତେ रहउची ନା 2 रहउची. Then deflection of a simple supported beam, এটা actually ଆସୁଛି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର 1.5, ଏଟା ଆର ଅଗରରେ ଦେଉଛି 1.5 ଆଉ ଗୁପ୍ତାରେ ଦେଉଛି 2.0. ତ actually ଏଟା 1.5 ରୁ 2.0 ଭିତରେ ଭ୍ୟାରି କରେ. ତ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ଆମ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ୱେଟ୍ ଆଉ ତା ସ୍ଲାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଫୋର୍ସକୁ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ନେଇକି ବାହାର କରିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବାହାରିବ ଏଇଟା. For deflection of simple supported beam with minimum permissible limit, ratio of span to depth କେତେ ରହୁଛି ନା 20. The live load to be considered in inaccessible roof is 75 kg per meter square. Then for a riveted diameter up to 24 mm, the diameter of rivet hole is larger than the diameter of rivet by 1.5 mm. The effective length of the fillet weld taken as actual length minus 2 times size of weld. Then the average shear stress for a rolled steel beam is calculated by dividing the shear force by gross cross section of wave. The diameter of cold driven rivet is in the range from 12 to 22 mm. The longitudinal space between the effective length of intermittent butt weld shall not be more than, तो यार रेंज केते रहउची intermittent butt weld ପାଇଁ not less than 4 times thickness and not more than 16 times thickness of thinner member. तो हमको एठी not more than पचाची तो not more than 16 times thinner member thickness हबो. तो ऑप्शन डी होची करेक्ट आंसर. Maximum permissible slenderness ratio for the member carrying load resulting from wind is 250. तो नेक्स्ट देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. Allowable working stress for rolled steel beam section compression member may be. The correct answer is 100 Newton per mm square. The net cross sectional area of a tension member, gross section minus maximum deduction for rivet holes. Then next question number 49. The stress in the wall of a cylinder subjected to hook tension. Stiffeners are used in a plate girder to avoid buckling of wave plates. When a body subjected to equal and opposite force acting tangentially, tangential means shear stress, and corresponding stress and strain are shear stress and shear strain. Then Hooke's law is valid up to elastic limit. Poisson ratio for steel varies between 0.23 to 0.27. 0.25 0.3 होची कहाँ पाई ना कास्ट आयरन पाई. Next, in simple supported beam carrying UDL double per meter length, point of contrafracture does not exist. Simple supported beam रे point of contrafracture हबनी. Point of contrafracture कौन ना जो जगह बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम तार साइन चेंज कराए. तार shear force डायग्राम. Question number 55. In a rectangular beam of beam A, length L, width B and depth D, another beam B, length L, with effective depth 2D. द इलास्टिक स्ट्रेंथ मीन्स सेक्शन मॉडुलस। तो सेक्शन मॉडुलस इज इक्वल टू बी डी स्क्वायर बाय 6। तो 2d स्क्वायर केते हो 4 टाइम्स। सो फ्रेंड्स ये पार्ट 1 अपलोड करुँची, नेक्स्ट या पार्ट 2 अपलोड करी आप रेस्पॉन्स देखिए। ठीक अच्छे।